we're going to do a demo where we're going to create a poster for a farmer's market. So in this demo, I'm going to make this poster for the farmer's market. And one thing I just want to start off by reminding you guys before you go any further is to save early and often. So make sure, again, you go ahead and you save whenever you make changes every, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Just make sure you save. So in this case, remember to save it as something that you'll remember. So this is my farmer's market demo. And again, remember where you saved it. In this case, I'm saving it into the folder that's for my Photoshop demo. And again, absolutely fine. Make sure you leave maximize compatibility checked and click OK. So just as a reminder before we do anything else. So in this next demo, we're going to go into kind of setting everything up, moving things around, copying them, pasting them, and working with layers in order to make our farmer's market poster. And then in the next set of demos, I'm going to show you about putting text in and kind of bringing all of those pieces together. So that's what we're going to go over in this demo. And again, remember all of the pieces that you need to use are available to you in Blackboard.